Hello students, how are you? I hope every one of you fit and fine at your home. So students, I am your computer teacher. Today I am going to start your chapter number 3 July month syllabus. Okay. So chapter number 3 name is charts in Excel. So I think students, you know, in the previous chapter we are just discussing about your Excel. So here let's you know about more about your Excel, right? So here with the help of Excel we can do many works, okay, like charts. So a chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. So this is the definition of your chart. It is an effective way to display data in the form of a picture, means a pictorial form. It helps to provide a better understanding and of a large quantity of data. Students, if you know about your chart, so chart is a graphical representation, means कि you can show your data with the help of a picture, or this one is a very effective way to present the views of the audience. ओके आप अपने व्यूज़ जो है, अपने जो भी आपके टीचर्स हैं, ऑब्जर्वर्स हैं, या जो भी जिनको आप अपना डाटा शो करना चाहते हैं, आप एक चार्ट की हेल्प से बहुत अच्छे से अपना डाटा जो है वो शो कर सकते हैं. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट वन, चार्ट मेक इट ईजियर टू ड्रॉ कंपैरिजन एंड see growth and relationship among the values and trends in a data. So with the help of a chart you can show the comparison. Suppose if in your class 40 students, okay, so if you want to find a topper in your class, so with the help of a chart you can easily find. Okay, they provide an accurate analysis of information. In chart you can also analyze the data. Okay, next one, components of chart. Let us learn about the various components of the chart that are depicted in the figure. So first of all you see here chart area. So this one area is a component of your chart. First component of your chart. Chart area include the area and object in the chart. मीन्स कि जहाँ पे आप चार्ट को शो करेंगे ये वो वाला एरिया होता है. कैटेगरी एक्सिस. कैटेगरी एक्सिस और एक्स एक्सिस इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस ऑफ द चार्ट. मीन्स कि हेयर यू कैन शो योर डाटा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल, राइट. एंड कैटेगरी एक्सिस आल्सो नोन एज एक्स एक्सिस. इसको एक्स एक्सिस भी बोल सकते हैं आप. वैल्यू एक्सिस. वैल्यू एक्सिस मीन्स बाई एक्सिस and it can show the data in the form of a vertical axis. Okay, used to plot the values. It is located at the left side. Okay, it is available at the left side of the window. Data series. Data series are the bar, slice or other elements that show the data or values. Okay, this function is a data series, right. After this, category name. Category name are the label which are displayed on the x and y axis, which label you are using. Next is plot area. Next one is plot area. Plot area is the window within the chart. It contains the actual part of itself and include plotted data, data series, categories and value axis. Okay, so this is the function of a plot area. Legend. It depicts the color pattern symbols assigned to the data series. It helps differentiate the data. If you want to differentiate the data, so with the help of legend you can do this work. Chart title. It describes the aim of the content. Okay, ये आपको जो है उस चार्ट का जो है टाइटल शो करेगा कि what is the aim of the chart. Next, grid lines. These can be horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart. ओके, जो भी आपने चार्ट सेलेक्ट किया है उसके बारे में जो है ये आपको शो करेगा। अब नेक्स्ट वन इज योर टाइप्स ऑफ चार्ट। ओके, द मेन पार्ट आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट types of charts. So in your Excel many types of the charts available. You can show your data in a different way. Okay, so Excel 2016 offer you a wide range of the chart of interpret data. These charts share some common features which assist the user to comprehend the data logically. You can show your data logically here, right? After this, first chart name is your bar chart. First chart is a bar chart. So first of all you see here the output of the bar chart. Bar chart provide you output in this way. Okay, it illustrates the data comparison between the individual item. It display data in the form of long rectangular rod called bar that are placed vertically or horizontally on the chart. In this type of chart, category and are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. So see here the values in this way you see here. Okay, it is available in the form of horizontally. Okay, so see here next one is a column chart, right? This chart is used to display the data, show different trends over the period of time. It is default type of data MS Excel. It comparatively quite easy to understand. In this type of a chart, category are organized horizontally. Okay, so see here the output of this one. Okay, so students, just you see here I am adding some students data. Okay, so see here some names available here. Okay, Anju, Manju, Ranjana, Kriti and Hemant. और इनके जो 3 सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स हैं. ओके, इंग्लिश, हिंदी एंड नेक्स्ट लाइन जो है फॉर द टोटल कि इनका टोटल कितना बनता है. ओके, 2 सब्जेक्ट मार्क्स प्लस 1 इज टोटल. सो सी है टोटल लाइन इज इन ग्रीन. ओके वे. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज line chart. This chart is in the form of a line and it is used to illustrate data trend in a data at equal interval. It quite similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper. So see here its output just like a graph paper. Okay, on a graph paper with its value x and y axis. Okay, it is useful for emphasizing the continuity by showing the data over period of time. It is generally used to represent a huge amount of data, right? Next one is a area chart. It is a unique version of the line and column graphs. This type of chart has greater visual impact than the line chart. ये जो है लाइन चार्ट से जो है इसके विजुअल इम्पैक्ट कुछ बहुत अच्छे हैं. इट एम्फेसाइज ऑन द मैग्नीट्यूड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ चेंज ओवर टाइम बाय शोइंग द सम ऑफ प्लॉटेड वैल्यूज. एंड एरिया चार्ट आल्सो डिस्प्ले द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द होल. ओके, इट शोइंग हेयर द रिलेशनशिप ऑफ द होल एरिया. ओके, सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.